Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0740-7F P0741 relates to the torque converter clutch circuit performance issues in the Honda CR-V 2023 and later models. This code appears when there is an abnormality in the gear ratio between the engine speed and the input shaft speed, particularly when the torque converter clutch is supposed to lock up. Such a malfunction could happen due to several factors, including issues with solenoids or the valve body assembly. The Torque Control Module, TCM, continuously monitors these parameters, and if the ratio deviates from specified limits during a commanded lockup, it records this DTC. Correctly diagnosing this issue is crucial, as it can affect vehicle performance and fuel efficiency. Today's presentation will guide you through understanding the issue and troubleshooting it effectively. The error represented by DTC P0740-7F involves the torque converter clutch not functioning as intended. The primary components implicated in this error are the torque converter clutch and the TCM. The torque converter clutch helps engage the engine and transmission effectively, improving fuel efficiency by preventing slippage. The TCM monitors the relationship between engine speed and input shaft speed. A discrepancy indicates a malfunction. Common locations for these components are within the transmission assembly, integrated with the valve body assembly. Proper operation of these components ensures effective power transmission from the engine to the wheels. If the system isn't performing correctly, it can lead to decreased fuel efficiency and increased engine load. Understanding the potential causes of DTC P0740-7F is crucial for proper diagnosis and repair. One common reason might be a faulty shift solenoid valve B. This solenoid is integral to controlling fluid flow within the transmission and can prevent proper engagement. Another possible issue could stem from the CVT lockup clutch control solenoid. If this solenoid is malfunctioning, it would not allow the clutch to engage, leading to performance issues. The valve body assembly may also experience problems. If internal passages are blocked, it can hinder fluid flow and affect the torque converter's functionality. Diagnosing these components accurately is essential to ensuring a thorough repair and preventing future occurrences of the DTC. Vehicle symptoms associated with DTC P0740-7F may manifest as poor acceleration, where the vehicle struggles to respond to throttle inputs. Additionally, drivers may notice increased fuel consumption as the engine works harder when the torque converter clutch fails to engage efficiently. Unusually high engine RPMs during cruising speeds can occur as well, indicating that the torque converter is slipping rather than locking up as it should. This can lead not only to performance issues, but also potentially increased wear on engine components over time. Monitoring these symptoms closely aids technicians in pinpointing the underlying issues linked to this DTC in a timely manner. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0740-7F is to start the engine and allow it to warm up to its normal operating temperature. This can be confirmed when you observe that the radiator fan cycles on at least twice. The reason for this warm-up phase is to ensure that the transmission fluid reaches optimum operating conditions, which is critical for accurate diagnostic results. Furthermore, this process also ensures that the vehicle is functioning under normal conditions, which is necessary when testing system integrity. Failure to complete this step could lead to misinterpretations of the system's performance and error codes. Ensure that all preliminary checks are completed before proceeding to the next steps in the diagnostic process. The second troubleshooting step involves performing a test drive of the vehicle at a speed of approximately 37 miles per hour or 60 kilometers per hour on a flat road for at least 1 minute. This specific speed is critical as it allows for sufficient engagement and evaluation of the torque converter clutch operation. During this process, the TCM monitors the engine speed and the input shaft speed, checking for discrepancies that would lead to the setting of the DTC. Consistent speeds allow for stable readings and help identify whether the systems are interacting correctly. If the test is conducted under optimal conditions, it increases the chances of accurately reproducing the symptoms associated with the DTC. After the drive, observe any changes in vehicle behavior for further analysis. The third troubleshooting step pertains to deceleration and coming to a complete stop, followed by switching the vehicle to the off lock mode. This process simulates a real driving scenario where the vehicle experiences changes in speed and load. By slowing down, the technician can observe how the torque converter behaves as the vehicle's speed decreases. The TCM reevaluates the input and output parameters during this phase, which may provide further insights into underlying issues. After this simulation, bringing the vehicle to off mode ensures that all systems reset, allowing for a fresh evaluation when testing is repeated. It is crucial during this step to ensure no faults do not persist after the system has been reset. After completing necessary repairs related to DTC P0740-7F, conduct a final repair verification to ensure that the issue is resolved. This involves performing a test drive similar to the previous steps, allowing the system to reach normal operating conditions. During this drive, monitor the vehicle to confirm that it operates smoothly without any signs of torque converter malfunction. After the driving session, use a diagnostic tool to check if the DTC has been cleared from the memory and that all systems are functioning as intended. Verifying that the code does not return is essential for confirming that repair was successful. This ensures the vehicle's long-term reliability and performance. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0740-7F, regular maintenance of the transmission system is vital. One key preventive action includes checking the transmission fluid levels and its condition routinely. Transmission fluid plays a crucial role in lubrication and cooling, affecting the overall performance of solenoids and the torque converter. Additionally, timely inspections of related components, such as the shift solenoid valve B and the valve body assembly, can prevent failures before they result in DTCs. Keeping a maintenance schedule aids in extending the lifespan of these components and enhancing fuel efficiency. Taking proactive measures ensures that potential problems can be addressed efficiently, maintaining optimal vehicle performance. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0740-7F requires a comprehensive understanding of the symptoms, potential causes, and a structured approach to troubleshooting. By recognizing symptoms such as poor acceleration or unusual engine RPMs, technicians can effectively target their diagnostic efforts. Utilizing the provided steps ensures that both the technician and the vehicle are guided through an organized process to identify faults accurately. Remember, original equipment manufacturers, such as Honda, have specific diagnostic procedures that help facilitate this process, ensuring reliability and performance. Maintain preventive measures to safeguard against the recurrence of such issues in the future. Following these guidelines not only resolves the current DTC, but can greatly enhance overall vehicle health. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.